in a pipe dream. She's really got a hold on me. She can brighten the sky, resembles the moonlight. Could be seen anywhere, even the darkest of night. A silhouette could not block the sun from me.
Touching the new, unsound original music. Add a little humor, add a little madness. Welcome to Round Sound Radio. Righty, up next we have Tiger Lily with Twins of Evil. Very good tune this. And don't forget, guys, if you do like this, do get on our Facebook, give it a listen and give it a share. I shall review this in more detail on Thursday. Right now, I'm up to me fucking eyeballs in oil. Right, this is Tiger Lily, Twins of Evil.
Discover what he's all about. Death and destruction, follow their master. See what it burn, the flagrant bastard. Take a little life and replace it with death. The devil behind you as they lay to rest. Maria, her sister alive, finds herself fighting for her life, but can't
Right then, let's have a bit of bang bang time, mate. It's all very informalist, guys. You know, instead of bang been on the show many times, they're going to give us a couple of tunes. What are you going to play for us, lads?
Going to do Dreams.
Do Problems as well.
And do Problems as well.
Yeah.
Right, so we've all had to beer, so bear with us here.
Oh well.
Right, lads, after you.
I can't close my eyes, I can't go to sleep. I'm having dreams of things that you wouldn't believe. I'm dreaming about the past and the future. Wars to be had, but we end up losing. A bombs are dropping, it sounds like beatboxing. Next thing you know, half the country starts dropping to the ground like we're trying break dancing. Then I realised it was gas that had passed them. This is when I wake myself up, because if you die in dreams, you never wake up. Like when falling from great heights, I always wake myself up before I see the light. Light, 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 light. These dreams, these dreams, these dreams, they're getting crazier every day it seems. These dreams, these dreams, these dreams, worse than Freddy Krueger scenes. These dreams, these dreams, these dreams, getting crazier every day it seems. These dreams, these dreams, these dreams. I can't sleep, I can't close my eyes. These dreams are making me surprised. You're getting even more messed up and fed up. Enough is enough, getting to sleep's real tough. Started daydreaming about the day Prince William rules. He sacks politicians, makes his own rules. But next thing you know, though, he gets fooled by Harry, who lures him in a fight to be king. Nothing more, nothing less, yo, it's a real mess. Like an old school conquest, nothing left but chunks of flesh. Flesh, 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 flesh. These dreams, these dreams, these dreams, they're getting crazier every day it seems. These dreams, these dreams, these dreams, worse than Freddy Krueger scenes. These dreams, these dreams, these dreams, they're getting crazier every day it seems. These dreams, these dreams, these dreams. These dreams are stopping me from going to sleep. Nothing helps, not even counting sheep. If I count sheep, they turn to zombies, turning up everywhere like people in onesies. They're not part of the human race. All you gotta do is smash them in the face. Yo, meteors are coming from outer space. They're crashing into Earth, destroying the whole place. Now getting to the safe zone becomes a race. If you see a zombie on the way, smash him in the face. Put him in your bit, do your bit and help start the race before we lose our place. What? 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 These dreams, these dreams, these dreams, they're getting crazier every day it seems. These dreams, these dreams, these dreams, worse than Freddy Krueger scenes. These dreams, these dreams, these dreams, they're getting crazier every day it seems. These dreams, these dreams, these dreams.
Interrobang acoustic, yeah, but that's a new one, isn't it? That's the first time we've ever heard the boys acoustic, is right, lads? That sounds spot on. I hope you don't mind me tapping me like that, just trying off a little bit of rhythm. Is that alright, yeah?
So good.
Sound. Alright, what next?
We're going to do Problems as well.
Problems?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
We got legendary rappers giving out free passes. They're giving careers to all these whack rappers, making them think that they're the best. But if you ask me, they should be under arrest. It's a real joke how these muppets got signed. They're all standing around just waiting in line for the chance to sign, for the hammer to drop. Unlucky son, you'll be waiting a lot. It doesn't matter how much money you've got, yo, you can't buy talent from any type of shop. You need to stop, write and rhyme and take your time and make sure that your shit sounds tight, yo. Music videos getting worse and worse. No wonder people saying that rappers in a hearse. They say that fierce, but they listen to me. Yo, my name's Ando, with me rockin' free. I've got love for the rap game, but it's not the same. People are only doing it for the money and the fame, and I must refrain from dropping a name. I'm not into this, artists, they all sound the same. This is legends to make name for themselves, yo, just because you know it'll probably sell. If it isn't ever bang, I take to hell. No, what's up, son? You don't look too well. No, white in the face like you've been maced, running around the place. You're a fucking disgrace, yo, it's not a race. If it was, then I finish first place, son. Yeah, and then I finish first place. We got a problem in the game. People doing it for the money and the fame. We got a problem in the game, yo. People are only doing it for the money and the fame. Nah, just because some are in gangs and a shot, it doesn't mean we're all the same hip hop. Although some of them do sound the same, rhyme the same, flow the same, look the same, yeah, everything. I ain't gonna say no names, ain't know who they are. Why couldn't they been in Tupac's car and got the shot out of them? They ain't no men. Could go on about like many men, and many men. I wish they got the shot out of them. Oh shit, yo, here we go again. Yeah, here we go again. I wish they could have switched plays with Jam Master Jay. The whack rappers would have gone and Jay could have stayed. I'm talking about the ones that wanna get paid. Though on 4 days about the haze, yo. This ain't that track, this is this track about a whack rap. If you don't like it, then take a step back, yo. And this is where Scotty Boy's riff comes at. I'm real fed up of all this whack rap. If you ask me, 90% of it is crap, yo. Talking about where they get the gas, people who are rats, no changing that, because that's that. You all need to realise that rap music's getting whack. It's getting worse and worse and worse. We've got a problem in the game. People are only doing it for the money and the fame. We've got a problem in the game, yo. People are only doing it for the money and the fame. We've got a problem in the game, yo. People are only doing it for the money and the fame. We've got a problem in the game.
Fucking awesome! Boys, thank you very much. We have Pod Cousins coming on in a minute. The boys are going to get back downstairs, get themselves a burger and get back on the lash. I'll give you the tune now. I know Gallagher and Pod Cousins will be joining us for a bit of tunage.
Oh, yeah.
Bear with us.
It's 9 o'clock. I'm getting tired. I'm sick of all my records and the clothes